हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज के ट्यूटोरियल में हम देखेंगे हाउ टू कैलकुलेट न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो इन केस ऑफ एडमिशन ऑफ अ पार्टनर। नया प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो कैसे निकाला जाता है, लॉजिक प्लस फॉर्मूला। लेट अस टेक अप एन एग्जांपल। A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2, which means 3:2 ये हुआ old ratio. They admitted C for 1/4 share in future profits. So new partner C, इसका share है 1/4. Then how to calculate new profit sharing ratio? According to the concept, formula says new ratio is 1 minus share given to new partner into old partner's share. Friends, 1 is total profit minus share given to new partner. So this part will give us balance ratio. That will be divided between old partners. So if we try to understand this, A and B, 1 minus share given to new partner is 1/4. So 1 minus 1/4 remains constant into old ratio. A का old ratio was 3 out of 5. B का ratio is 2 out of 5. So if we try to simplify this, 1 minus 1/4 is 3/4 into 3/5. So 3 3s are 9 upon 5 4s are 20. Same way B के लिए 1 minus 1/4 is 3/4 into 2/5. 3 into 2, 6 upon 5 4s are 20. C is the new partner. C का शेयर दिया हुआ है 1/4. C is the new partner. Now friends, the denominator should remain constant. इसका डिनोमिनेटर इज 20, इसका डिनोमिनेटर इज 20. सो यहाँ पे भी द डिनोमिनेटर शुड बी 20. सो इफ आई टेक LCM, 5 4s are 20. So I will multiply numerator and denominator by 5. So this becomes 5 1s are 5 upon 5 4s are 20. Now if you observe, all denominators are 20. So accordingly, new profit sharing ratio A is to B is to C. The ratio will be 9 is to 6 is to 5. This is the new profit sharing ratio. जिनको ये लास्ट पार्ट नहीं समझ में आया, this particular adjustment, there is another way of doing it. 9 parts out of 20 will be taken by A. 6 parts मिलेंगे B को, तो 9 plus 6, 15 parts out of 20 are shared by old partners. 15 out of 20 अगर old partner लेके जाएगा तो new partner will get remaining 5 parts. This is another way of looking at it. Let us try to verify जो हमने किया है वो बराबर है या नहीं. So C, new partner, इसका share is 1/5. So 5 parts out of 20. 5 out of 20 is 1/4. जो हमारा कंडीशन है 1/4. This is satisfied. ओल्ड पार्टनर्स के लिए बचा 9:6. 9:6 is 3:2 and our old ratio was 3:2. So friends, this is how you can verify for yourself कि आपने जो किया है वो बराबर है या नहीं. Now, let us understand the logic. If I do this in terms of percentage is 100. According to the condition, 1/4 will be given to new partner C. So 100 का 1/4 is 25, which means balance 75 belongs to old partners, and ये old partners are A and B. A and B का old ratio is 3:2. So if I divide this 75, 3 plus 2, 5 parts. So 75 divided by 5 into 3. 15 threes are 45 parts will be for A. 15 into 2, 30 parts will be for B. And as we have seen, this is 25. So 100 will be divided as 45, 30, 25. If you observe, 9 5s are 45, 6 5s are 30, 5 5s are 25. So ultimately, the ratio remains same. The ratio remains 9:6:5. This is formula method and this is your logical method. So friends, let us take up one more example. Here X and Y are partners sharing profits and losses equally. So old ratio is equal. They admitted Z for 1/5 share in future profits. 1/5 share. New partner का share है 1/5. Then find new profit sharing ratio between X, Y and Z. So let us first apply the formula. 1 minus share given to new partner into old partner's share. So X, Y. 1 minus share given to new partner is 1/5. 1 minus 1/5 LCM निकालेंगे तो आज बचेगा 4/5, 4/5. So 1 minus 1/5, 4/5 remains constant into old ratio. Old ratio was equal 1:1, which means half X को मिलेगा, half Y को मिलेगा. So 4/5 into 1/2. 4 into 1, 4 upon 5 into 2 is 10. So 4/10. Again 4/5 into half is 4/10. इसका डिनोमिनेटर 10 है, इसका डिनोमिनेटर 10 है. सो थर्ड का भी डिनोमिनेटर 10 होना चाहिए. 1/5 ये दिया हुआ है. दिस इज 10, दिस इज 10. सो 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 5 2s are 10. सो मल्टीप्लाइंग न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर by 2. 1 into 2 is 2 upon 5 into 2 is 10. So if you observe, the new ratio between X, Y and Z is 4:2. In other words, 2:1. Again, let us verify. 1 out of 5 is new partner. Remaining will be shared in 2:2. 2:2 मतलब equal. So condition satisfied. So friends, quickly let us calculate percentage. out of 100, 1/5, which means 20, will belong to C, or rather 20 will belong to new partner Z. Remaining is 80. This 80 will be shared between X and Y equally, so 40-40. So as you observe, this is 40-40-20, which means ultimately 2:2:1. So friends, if you are giving any kind of entrance exam like CA/CPT, entrance exam for banking, everywhere you can use a very simple shortcut technique, calculate it on your fingertips and attempt the question in less than 1 minute. So friends, I hope you have understood and enjoyed this concept. After understanding new profit sharing ratio, the next step is to understand sacrifice ratio. The link for the video is being displayed in the I button above, as well as it is given in the description. Friends, do like, share and subscribe to our video. Thank you.